Hi guys, it's Miss Barker. Happy Thursday. Today we are going to be learning some more about place value. So today you are going to need a few materials. You are going to need your math notebook and something to write with. So if you need to pause the video and go and get your materials. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to draw is I want you to draw this chart right here. So you're going to first draw a circle. So I'm going to draw it in my journal along with you. So you're going to first draw a circle. Just like that, kind of in the middle of your page so that we can draw around it and have plenty room to write. Then we're going to draw 2 lines like that. And then we're going to draw 2 lines and going across. And then we're going to connect them all. So we're going to make like a really big square, rectangle, one of those. So now you should have something like this on your page. If you don't have that, then pause the video and finish drawing it, okay? Now we're going to write these words. So we're going to write expanded form, and then we're going to write expanded notation right next to it. So I'm going to write expanded form and then expanded notation. And you can look at my drawing up here if you're moving a little bit faster than we are. So next box is going to be word form. And then base 10 form. And we're going to write 524 in the circle. So 524. We are going to be writing 524 in expanded form, expanded notation, word form, and base 10 form. So think about how could we write 524 in expanded form? How are we going to do that? We need to think. Think about the place values of 524. So we know that 500 is, the 5 is in the hundredths place. So we know that we have to have 500 at least. So we know that we are going to have 500, 500, and then we need to figure out how we got 24. So we already have 500, so we need 24 more. So the 500 is in the hundredths place. The 2 is in the what place? What place is the 2 in? The tens place. So we know that it's going to be 20. And then the 4 is in the ones place. So the 1 is going to have only one number. So we're going to say plus 4. So we know if we have 100 that we have 3 numbers. So 1, 0, 0. So that is how I got 500 because we have a 5. And then the 20 is in the tens place. And a 10 it's a 1, 0. So there's one number, 2 numbers. Okay? And then in the ones place, there's only 1. So we just have a 1. Okay? So this is how you write 524 in expanded form. Now we're going to write it in expanded notation. Now this one can be a little bit more tricky because we're going to be working with multiplication. So how many 100s do I need to get 500? Think about it really quickly. If I have 100, but I need 500, how many hundreds do I need? You need 5 to get 500. So we're going to put 5 times 100, just like that, plus, and now we need to get 20. So we know that the 2 in 20 is in the tens place. So how many tens do we need to get 20? How many do you think? We need 2. So we're going to put 2 times 10. So 2 times 10. And then we're going to put a little plus sign. Now, 4 is in the ones place. So how many ones do we need to equal 4? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 ones. So we need to put 1 times 4. Okay? So this is how you write 524 in expanded notation. So think of it, notation is you're multiplying, and expanded is it is expanded, which it's bigger. So 524 all written out. So we know that 5 times 100 is 500. And then we know that 2 times 10 is what? 20. And then 1 times 4 is 4. So that is our expanded notation for 524. Now we're going to come to our third box, and we are going to write 524 in word form. So how do you think we're going to write 524 in word form? So go ahead and write this with me. We're going to write 500 500, and now we need 24. So think about it. What are we going to put? 20, 24. So now we have 524. So the word form might be a little bit more simpler because it's self-explanatory. You're going to be writing the word form of 524. So however you read this in your head is how you're going to read it. You wouldn't say 524. No, it's 524. Okay, so next, this one is a little bit fun. Base 10 form. So we're going to be drawing 524 with shapes. So we're going to start with our 5, and we're going to draw 5 squares. Well, those look a little bit more like rectangles. So 4, 5. And now we're going to draw a line for our tens place, which is a 2. So we're going to put 2 lines. So we have 5, 2. And then for our ones place, we're going to put 4 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that this reads 524. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this in your math journal. Looks just like this and just like this. Okay, so for your exit ticket today, I want you to make your place value chart with expanded form, expanded notation, word form, and base 10 form using the number, let's say we're going to use the number 357. I'm going to write this on the board for you. Maybe I'll put it right here. Okay, so your exit ticket is you're going to make this chart with 357. Okay, so go ahead and make that and upload a picture of it. Bye, guys.